Welcome to Microsoft 2019 Essential Training. In this lesson, I will walk you through the page layout ribbon. On the page layout ribbon, you will find your page size, margins, page orientation, landscape or portrait, anything to do with how your page is laid out. The page layout ribbon has three standard groups with commands. In the page sector group, you have the margin. The margin command, this will adjust the size of your margin in your document. Next is the orientation command. This allows you to set your page to portrait or landscape dimension. The size command, here you can use different size for your page, the A4, letter size, or any of your choice. With colon command, you can divide your page into vertical columns as it is in the magazine or the newspaper. Next is the breaks command. This command allows you to add a break at your current location to have your text pick up in the next location. Next is the line numbers command. With this command, you can add line numbers to your document so you can easily jump to a section in your document. The hyphenation command. This will enable or disable automatic hyphenation of words at the end of line in your document. Here is the paragraph group. Here you have the indents command. With this command, you can increase or decrease the left or right indentation of your page. The spacing command. With this command, you can adjust the amount of spacing before or after a paragraph. The arrange group. Here you have the position, the text wrap. With this command, you can wrap text around an image or object. The forward and backward command. The forward and backward command, this command will enable you bring an object either forward or backward to another object or text. The alignment command, this will align objects to the margin or the edge of a page. Alright, this is just a general walkthrough of the page layout ribbon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.